was that? You're pregnant. She's in labor. Too heavy. Come on, get up. Almost there. Almost there. Just a little. There. Safe now. You'll be all right, old friend. You are safe here. Don't worry, my friend. I must keep her warm. Keep breathing, brave one. We are almost there.